Hello everyone, welcome to Sugi Cooks. In this video, I'm going to share how to make the very famous Madurai Uppu curry in Saurashtra style. In Saurashtra, we call it Pulta China, and this should be one of the top favorite dish of any Saurashtrian. We make it regularly in our homes. This is a very mild spiced mutton recipe with main flavors from jeera and red chilies. We also add small coconut pieces in this recipe. The coconut pieces, when cooked along with mutton, gets all the flavors of the mutton juices. The soft mutton together with crunchy and juicy coconut gives a delightful texture difference to this dish. To prepare this, I have taken 200 grams of mutton cut into bite-sized pieces. Few coconut cut into bite-sized pieces. You can increase or decrease the amount of coconut as per your preference. Around 8 small onions thinly sliced. Around 8 red chilies. 3 tablespoon oil. 1.5 teaspoon jeera. Jeera and red chilies are the main flavoring ingredients, so include them as much as you wish. Few fresh curry leaves and half teaspoon pepper powder. In a pressure cooker, add the mutton pieces, chopped coconut, small onions, red chilies broken into very small pieces, jeera and 1 cup of water. Mix well. Pressure cook for 2 whistles in high flame and 20 minutes in simmer. After all the air is released, open and give a good mix. Check the mutton pieces, they should be cooked soft when pressed with your fingers. The mutton still has a good amount of water left. Add 1 teaspoon salt and broken curry leaves. Adding oil is optional as mutton will release a lot of its fatty oil, so add little extra oil only if required. Now keep mixing in medium flame for around 10 minutes until all the water reduces. Now add pepper powder if you require more spice. Give a good mix. The mutton is now well cooked. The cooked red chilies together with jeera forms a nice smooth and spicy gravy and also gives a very good color to the dish. Take them out in a serving bowl. This is a mild spiced dish, so it's best to have this uppu curry with hot steamed rice and spicy vata kolambu. Thanks for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and press the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my future video updates. See you very soon in another interesting recipe. Until then, happy cooking and stay healthy.